it's Sarah with AWE, and behind me is a 2025 plus Toyota 4Runner with the AWE system installed. In this video, we have a ton of sound clips for you, but before we get into that, I want to give you a quick overview of the system so you can make sense of what you're about to hear. Of course, you're welcome to skip ahead to those sound clips, but if you want to get a little more in depth, stick with me and I'll show you what it's all about. The AWE system begins directly after your emissions equipment and bolts up using a factory-style flange and reuses your OEM hardware and donut gasket. And that brings us to the first of two resonators in this system, the 180 Tech resonator. 180 Technologies, AWE's patented solution that eliminates drone, that annoying low-frequency noise typically experienced at highway speeds. It pinpoints and silences drone firm frequencies without interrupting flow while delivering the power of a straight height exhaust. From there, the 3-inch T304L stainless continues up and over the axle with plenty of clearance around the suspension and spare tire. The second resonator in this system also has a straight-through design and packing material to cut down on rasp and keep those tones nice and smooth. And finally, we can check out the BashGuard tip. This provides plenty of clearance as well as a reinforced rock ring to protect it from any obstacles on the trails. So now that you've seen the system, here's how it sounds. We hope you like what you heard. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Any questions, drop them in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.